Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to mark an episode as watched in Crunchyroll. To mark an episode as watched in Crunchyroll, launch open the Crunchyroll app on your device first. Now log in using your Crunchyroll account's credential, and once you are logged into the home page, search or browse to the anime or series you want to mark as watched. Tap on it to open up the info section, and then tap on the three little dots at the top right corner. In the pop-up, it'll ask you to tap on Mark as Watched. Simply tap on that, and there you have successfully marked an episode or a series as watched. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more Crunchyroll tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.